My dirt bike is dead, but I really want to ride. So I was in front of a dilemma. What to do with the bike? Fix the bike or buy a different one? In order to figure this out, I did a lot of research about what are the costs to get parts here in Latvia and what is the price to order details from, for example, eBay. So to order details here in Latvia, it would cost me minimum 1500 euros. That's the price I paid for the bike. Basically, it's like buying a different bike. To order details from eBay, it was around 800. So now I was thinking, should I fix it or buy a new one? But buying a new one will require me to spend even more money than 1500, and for that price I'm not guaranteed to get a good bike. So I said, I'll fix this one instead. I ordered parts on eBay. I ordered cylinder head from the USA and cylinder with piston and rings from Italy. While my parts were being delivered, I decided that I want to change the appearance of my bike. I want my bike to be in candy red, but since those are plastics, it's not smart to paint them, and the next solution I will attempt also isn't really smart. Me and my friend, we will wrap our bike plastics. Yes, wrap it. So to see how it would look, I spent some time on Photoshop. While I was brainstorming and photoshopping all kind of designs, in less than a month I received my bike parts. Thanks to my friend, I found a cool guy who gave me a really good offer to fix the bike for me. I'm not good at engines yet, so this seemed perfect for me. I packed my bike and drove to his place. After 2 days and minus 200 euros, my bike was ready. Damn, I was so excited to have it and ride it. This guy showed me his garage, and damn, it's like crazy YouTuber, rider, professional rider, biker, builder, video owner garage. Just look at it. Damn, I haven't seen a better looking garage in Latvia so far. The joy I had taking the bike back was enormous. I cannot wait to ride it. When I talked to my repair guy, he said I should ride my bike for a little while like a casual bike, just so that new parts grinds together. So I did. First ride was just a chill ride with no big pressure on the engine and so on. Finally, I can get back to learning wheelie. Now to continue with the wrapping bike, I need to order a new rear mudguard because the previous owner broke it. I'm casual dude with a simple job and the desire to ride and work on the bike, so I cannot spend shitloads of money on stuff just like that. So the part where I wrap my bike will be later on. But my friend's bike was ready to get wrapped.